Hello students, today we are going to learn new lesson that is ascending and descending order of numbers. Okay, so first now let us see how to put numbers 36, 23, 17 in ascending, that is increasing order. So now see what is been given. Now three numbers are given here, 36, 23 and 17. Okay, so we have to put this in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order, we can say. Okay, ascending order means increasing order means छोटे से बड़ा नंबर लिखना है हमको. Okay, so first of all here three pairs, these three numbers are there, three pairs of these numbers are been made. Okay, so see, first pair is 36, 23, then 23, 17, and then 36, 17. Okay, like this three pairs are been made here. So now first let us compare first pair 36 and 23. So in 36 and 23, which number is smaller? 23. So see here 23 is been written. So 23 is less than 36. So this is the symbol of less than. We are knowing ये जो symbol है वो less than का है. So 23 is less than 36. Now in another pair, that is 23 and 17. 23 and 17, in that which number is smaller? 17. Okay, so first write down 17 and then 17 is smaller than 23. And then in third pair 36 and 17, in this also 17 is less than 36. So here which number is smaller? 17. Which number is smaller? 17. So here from this three number we have cross out 17. तीनों में से कौन सा नंबर सबसे छोटा है? 17. So we have written here first of all 17. Okay, then now as we have written number 17, so now which number is left? Number 36 and 23. See, number 36 and 23 is left. So from 36 and 23, which is smaller number now? 23. So now we have cut down 23 and we have written here 23. So the now last number which that is remain is 36. So now last one is 36. So cut down 36 and write down here. So now this is the ascending order of the numbers. So first is 17, 23 and 36, means छोटे से बड़ा number लिख रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे. Okay, so let us write like this. See, 17 less than, by using this sign. Okay, so 17 less than 23, 23 less than 36. So we have used this sign here. Okay, so now see students, here in the same way put the three numbers in each set given below in ascending order. Now see these three numbers, we have to put these three numbers also in ascending order, means from smaller to bigger. So first now see, first set is which? 25, 25, 12 and 54. So now from this number, which is smaller one first? 12. Which number is smaller? So 12. So write down first 12. Then 12 less than. Now which number is less? 12 cut down. Write down 12. So now 12 is smaller. Now which number remain? 25 and 54. So now from 25 and 54, which number is less? 25. So now cut down 25 and write down here 25. So now 25 less than again. Which number left? 54. So write down here 54. Similarly, this 67, 9 and 32. So now from 67, 9 and 32, which number is less or smaller, we can say? Number 9. So number 9, cut down here and write down here. Now which number left? 67, 32. So from 67 and 32, which number is smaller? 32. Then cut down 32. Then 67 is remained. Okay, and in middle you are going to use this less than sign. Then now this one 44, 92 and 30. 44, 92 and 30. So from 44, 92, 30, which number is smaller? 30. So cut down 30. Write down here 30. Okay, then less than. Then from 44 and 92, which number is smaller? 44. Then less than. 44 cut down. Then which number left? 92. So it's this way you have to write down the ascending order of the numbers. Ascending order means increasing order, means छोटे से बड़ा number. Okay. Now see students, as we have seen ascending order, now see, let us see how to put the numbers 36, 23, 48 in descending, that is decreasing order. Now in descending order we have to put number 36, 23 and 48. 36, 23, 48 we have to put this in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Now decreasing order, here we will write the bigger number first and then smaller than smaller. Okay, first bigger then smaller than smaller. Okay, means बड़े से छोटा करना है अभी यहाँ पे हमको. Ascending में हम क्या किए, what we have done in ascending, from smaller to bigger we have written. Okay, now increasing order में लिखा हमने छोटे से बड़ा. So in descending order now we will write from bigger to smaller, means from बड़े से छोटा number लिखना है हमें. Okay, so now see here, number 36, 23 and 48 is there. Okay, so from 36, 23 and 48, which number is bigger? 48. So cut down 48 and write here 48 first. Okay, then now which number left? 36 and 23. So from 36 and 23, which number is bigger? So here number 36 is bigger than 23. So cut down this and write down here 36. Now which number is left? 23. So number 23 write down at last. So 48, 36 and 23. So this is the order of descending order. मतलब बड़े से छोटा करना है हमें number यहाँ पर. And now see how we are going to write the descending order. We are going to use this greater than sign. Okay, no, less than में हम कौन सी sign use कर रहे थे, ऐसी वाली. Now we are going to use here this greater than sign. So 48 greater than 36. 36 is greater than 23. Okay. So now see students, here put the given numbers in ascending and descending order. Here some numbers are given and you have to write them in ascending and descending order. So now see here, first of all 26, 19 and 47. Now here this is the column of ascending order. You have to write these numbers in ascending order here and in descending order in this column. So see, first of all, first one is solved. 26, 19, 47. So now this 26, 19, 47, first we have to write ascending. So we will write first ascending order. So see, from this which one is smaller? 19. So first write down here 19. So 19 less than. So now which number left? 26 and 47. So from 26 and 47, which number is smaller? 26. So write down here 26. Then after that 26, which number left? 47. So this is your ascending order, means छोटे से बड़ा. Okay. Now here we have to write of the same number. We have to write here now descending order. Okay, मतलब बड़े से छोटा लिखना है. तो firstly which number is bigger? 47. So we will write 47. Then greater than sign. Then which number from 26 and 19 is greater? 26. So write down 26 here. And then which number? 19. Okay, so similarly here also see, now here 4 numbers are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 43, 76, 89, 60. So now first we will write ascending order. So see how ascending order, which number is smaller from this? 43. So cut down 43 here, you can cut down, write 43. Now 1, 2, 3 number left. From this which is smaller now? 60. So cut down 60. Write down here 60. 43 is smaller than 60. Then which number left? 76 and 89. Now from this which is smaller one? 76. So write down here 76. Okay. Then which number left? 89. So write down here 89. So this is your ascending order. Now from of this number only we have to write descending order. So which number is bigger or greater? 89. So first write 89. Then 1, 2, 3 numbers left. 43, 76 and 60. From this now which is greater? 76. So we have to write here 76. Then now which number left? 43 and 60. So now which number is greater from 43 and 60? 60. So we are going to write here 60. And then which number left? 43. Okay, so similarly 1, 2, 3 examples you have to solve by your own. Here you are going to write down ascending order of the number and here you are going to write the descending order of the number. Hope so you have understand. Thank you.